Hello and welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today we're tackling the QQQ, the Invesco QQQ Trust, tracking the Nasdaq 100 index. We'll first cover the current events and news, then provide an in-depth look at the chart data and see if we can find any correlation between these two aspects. Recent news headlines suggest a bearish sentiment in the market today, with major indices like the Dow and S&P 500 also showing negative movements. Concerns about inflation and interest rate hikes could be affecting investor confidence. Looking at the daily chart, we observe a recent downtrend in QQQ, though the current candle shows a minor recovery attempt. Let's zoom in on the last week's daily candles. The price action suggests a possible battle between buyers and sellers, with short-term support around the 405 level and resistance near 412. A break below 405 might trigger further selling pressure, while a decisive break above 412 could indicate a shift toward bullish sentiment. Now, shifting to the hourly chart, we can analyze the shorter-term price fluctuations. The hourly chart helps us to visualize the more immediate reactions to news events. Here, we can see the recent intraday volatility. Notice the increased volume during periods of price swings. Higher volume often accompanies significant price changes, which means that there is more conviction behind such movements. We observe support levels at around 508 and resistance at 516. Let's narrow down the hourly chart to the last 24 hours to see the most recent price action. A break below 508 might trigger a short-term downward trend, whereas a strong break above 516 could shift momentum to the upside. Finally, let's examine the 15-minute chart for even finer details. The 15-minute chart provides an ultra-short-term perspective on momentum changes. This timeframe often showcases high-frequency trading and quick price adjustments. Here, we can pinpoint very short-term support and resistance levels, along with rapid price reversals and possible entry points for day traders. Short-term support may be found at 514 while resistance is at 516. In summary, the news points to a bearish outlook, although the charts show some mixed signals. The short-term support and resistance levels identified will be key areas to watch. A decisive break below 405 daily chart or 508 hourly chart could lead to more bearish momentum, while a break above 412 daily chart or 516 hourly chart might turn the sentiment bullish. The likelihood of such breaks depends on the release of macroeconomic data and investor sentiment. Keep an eye out for any unexpected news events or economic data releases that could further impact price movements. Remember, this analysis is for informational purposes only and not financial advice. Always do your own research before making any trading decisions.